Hello, what's good guys? Today I'm about to show you something super amazing. I'm about to show you how you can get unlimited coins in Webtoon for totally free. And we can do that by using Webtoon which is fully working in 2022. As a matter of fact, it's fully working for both iOS and Android devices. I cannot guarantee that it works on all devices, but on my iPhone 8 Plus it works like a charm. As you can see here, I have the app already installed on my iOS device and I'm about to show you how I got it, and I will also explain how you can get it on your iOS and Android devices as well. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let me just open the game and show you this proof first so you can see that the method I'm about to share with you is still legit. I will open Webtoon and keep it open in behind. Then right after that, all you gotta do is open Webtoon. First we are going to connect it to a main account that we are using in the game. Right after that, click on the patch button to inject coins. Now go ahead and get back to the game, and as you will see in the moment, the coins will load right into my account as I speak. So I can pretty much buy any upgrade in the game and all that premium features for totally free. I want to mention that when you spend all this amount of coins, just repeat this process once again and coins will load again. So guys, today I'm about to show you a step-by-step guide how you can get unlimited coins in Webtoon, so without further ado, let's go. Now, if you're using an iOS device, to get the game installed there is a couple of settings that you need to change on your phone just to make sure that it's compatible for the installation of Webtoon which is a super cool extension of the game and a version that gives you unlimited coins. If you're using an Android device, then there is no settings that you need to change over there. So if you're an Android user, you can skip to the part where I open up my browser and show you where to get this game. Let me just show you the steps that you need to change on your iOS device and we are good to go, guys. First thing that you need to do is to head over to Settings, General, then Background App Refresh, and make sure that it's turned on for Wi-Fi and mobile data. When all that is completed, we can proceed to the next step. What you need to do now is to open up your browser, it doesn't matter which browser you're using, and search for the website called injectsx.com. Injectsx.com. On this website you can find all kind of amazing tweaks, games, apps and many more cool stuff that you can't find anywhere else, guys. But also on this website you can find Webtoon for your mobile device. Once you're here, you can scroll down until you find the game on the list, or the best option in my opinion is by using the search bar. So if you go to the search bar and start typing Webtoon++, you're gonna see the game. It's gonna show up just like this, and as you can see it's available for both iOS and Android devices. All we need to do is to simply click Start Injection button and the downloading process of Webtoon++ will begin. We have one last step to complete in order to make it work, and that is to verify our iOS or Android version. And that whole process won't take more than 2 minutes of your time. I'm about to show you how it's done, so watch carefully. So this website needs to know your iOS or Android version so they can prepare the best working version of Webtoon++ for your mobile phone. You will see this still processing, then right after that you will be redirected to another page where they say we need to verify our device version. Everything you need to do is basically download 2 apps from this huge list down below and follow the instructions for each app. For example, install CoinMaster and reach Village 3, or install this app and sign up, or install this app and run the app for 30 seconds. You can choose any app you want, so choose 2 of them. Click on the app you would like, and when you click on it, you will be redirected to official App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device. As you can see, it's opening the App Store, and as you can see, all those apps are free to use from official publishers. So basically, all you gotta do is simply download 2 apps, follow the instructions for each app in order to make it work. Do not delete them, but first restart your device. And when your device is restarted, you will have the unlimited coins in Webtoon. Guys, if you don't see Webtoon++ on your mobile device, I will troubleshoot you something, so listen up. Sometimes it can happen that game won't load the first time. From my experience I gained over the time and the feedback I gained over the time, the most usual problem is the device version verification. Basically, all you're gonna do is simply go back to the exact same website, injectsx.com, complete all steps once again, and when you go to the device version verification page, all you're gonna do is download another 2 apps. Let me show you. For example, in the first try you downloaded first 2 apps. In the second try, download second 2 apps, again go restart your device and the problem is solved. Thank you guys for watching, make sure that you hurry up and use this method before it gets patched. Leave a like on this video if this method worked for you and leave a comment below if you have any problems. See you guys later and have a great day.